Hello everyone, today in this video I'll talk about scholarship opportunities at United Arab Emirates University. So here you can see that we have undergraduate scholarships for international students. Also we will have the scholarship and fellowship for graduate assistantships. Okay, so stay with me and I'll discuss in details about these scholarships. First, I have made this the summary of these scholarships here in this Word file. We can take a look here. Okay, so United Arab Emirates University scholarship fully funded. UAEU scholarships are to international students who wish to enroll in a degree program at university. This scholarship seeks to cover the full tuition fee of selected international students while pursuing undergraduate degrees offered by the university. Applicants are hereby welcome from interested and eligible candidates for United Arab Emirates University undergraduate scholarship for international students. Summary of the scholarship is United Arab Emirates. You will study in Asia, in UAE, and categories are like undergraduate and postgraduate both. Okay, all countries are eligible to apply, and deadline is 15 July 2024. Now, United Arab Emirates University details. To meet the need of UAE society, all 9 colleges of at the UAE you have established graduate programs in multiple disciplines. Students can apply online for following graduate programs. Eligibility requirements: all national and international students are welcome to apply. Must have bachelor's degree, okay, and GPA of 3.4 on 4.0 scale. English language requirements: what documents you need to submit: your identity documents like your passport, national ID card, copy of your official certificate and transcripts, an official copy of the applicant's scores on the IELTS, okay, and updated CV, to letter of recommendation, and complete security form. How you can apply? We can come to that web page, okay. Now here in that web page, first we can take a look at so here you can see that these are different assistantships and fellowships for scholarship, fellowship, graduate assistantships, okay. Chancellor Fellowship for graduate students. The purpose of Chancellor Fellowship is to attract excellent students by providing them financial assistance in their higher education. You can click here to see further details of this scholarship, okay. You can click here. Now here you can see the further detail of the scholarship, their student eligibility, benefit, duration of the scholarship, how you can apply, and deadline. So that's how you can see further details, okay. You can click here and then you can see further graduate assistant, research assistantships, all nationalities are welcome to apply, and details. You can click here to see further details, okay. Similarly, you can see graduate teaching assistantships, graduate administrative assistantships. They have different eligibility requirements, different coverage of the scholarship, and other details, okay. PhD scholarship, all nationalities, PhD fellowship, okay. Scholarship for master space science under Arab space, okay. PhD studentship at Department of Chemical and Petroleum Engineering, PhD studentship at Department of Biology. Similarly, you can see further details of these scholarships, further scholarships, okay. These are all the scholarships which are available at United Arab Emirates University. Now all the scholarship, they have different, like, for example, this scholarship, you can click here and you can see the details of this scholarship. See eligibility criteria, benefit, monthly stipend, duration. of the scholarship, how you can apply, and deadline. Similarly, all these scholarships have different criteria, different coverage. Okay, for example, now we can see PhD scholarship. Okay, and then you can click here, and they have mentioned student eligibility criteria. Okay, benefits: full tuition fee, monthly stipend, health insurance, extra bonus will also be provided. Okay, 4 years. So this is very good opportunity for PhD students. Okay, similarly, if we see PhD fellowship, can click here, and all nationalities are eligible to apply. They will cover similar, like as we have saw in PhD scholarship, they have similar uh, like similar coverage as of a PhD fellowship. Okay, duties and expectations, you should maintain these. Okay, maintain GPA 3.0 at PhD level, be enrolled in full time, and be available at UAEU full time. Commit to minimum of 40 hours per week course. Okay, and commit to minimum of 5 hours per week as a graduate teaching assistant. Basic package, how you can apply: complete application here and complete PhD fellowship form here. Okay, so you need to first complete your application by clicking on that link, and then complete PhD fellowship application form by clicking on that link. That's how you can apply for PhD fellowship, and all nationalities are uh, eligible to apply. Now if you want to see like which graduate programs are available at this university, okay, United Arab Emirates University. So these are the programs which are available. Okay, Masters of Business Analytics, and similarly Doctor of Philosophy in Education. You can see, if you will have any question, you can contact on that email address. Okay, and this is the person name, coordinator's name. Okay, this is the college, this is the program. So you can take a look here. I will add this link in the description so you can see these details, these information in detail. Okay, and if you will have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. I respond to your queries. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you want to join our WhatsApp group, I have added the link in the description, and if you have any question, you can ask in the group WhatsApp group as well, also in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video, and take care. Bye bye.